Imagine a root, nestled high in the mountains of Peru, that has powered the lives of Andean warriors and farmers for centuries. This isn't just any root, this is maca, a remarkable plant that's now recognized as a superfood globally. Today, delve into the world of maca and discover how it can transform daily life. Maca thrives in harsh climates over 13,000 feet above sea level, where few other plants survive. Adaptation is in its nature, which explains why it's such a resilient addition to any diet. One of the standout features of maca is its ability to bolster the immune system. In times when wellness is more important than ever, incorporating maca into your diet could be a game changer. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help fortify the body's defenses, making it less susceptible to common illnesses. Maca is also known for its role in regulating blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or trying to maintain a stable energy level throughout the day, maca can be particularly beneficial. Its natural compounds help balance insulin production, which in turn aids in maintaining consistent blood sugar levels. Beyond these health benefits, maca is revered for its capacity to enhance stamina and energy. Historically, it was consumed by Incan warriors before battles. Today, anyone might enjoy these energizing benefits, making it a popular choice for athletes and anyone seeking an extra boost in their active lifestyles. Furthermore, maca supports mental well-being. It's believed to improve mood and memory thanks to its rich content of flavonoids. These natural substances are known for their antioxidant and neuroprotective properties, making maca a smart choice for a sharp mind. Consider integrating maca into daily meals. It's incredibly versatile. Blend it into smoothies, stir it into oatmeal, or sprinkle it over salads. Its subtle, nutty flavor complements a wide range of dishes. In conclusion, the ancient superfood maca offers a plethora of health benefits, from enhancing immune function and regulating blood sugar to boosting energy and supporting mental health. Embrace the power of this Andean treasure and consider what a sprinkle of maca could do for your daily life.